If your patent just got approved or you're about to file, what I'm about to share will completely change how you think about protecting your idea. Most inventors treat approval like the finish line. It's not. It's actually where the real risk begins. And almost nobody talks about what comes next. I've sat across from inventors who framed their approval certificate on the wall, stopped worrying about competition, and 18 months later, watched someone take their entire market without touching a single claim in their patent. Legally, completely untouchable. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what happens after that approval letter arrives, and the one thing that actually determines whether your idea ever makes you any money. Point 1. Approval is the beginning of your exposure, not the end. Most inventors think a patent is a shield. Well, it's not. It's a published blueprint. The moment your patent is approved, every detail becomes public. Your claims, your design, your engineering approach. You just handed the market a roadmap. The USPTO publishes every patent in a fully searchable database. Competitors watch it. Manufacturers watch it. Overseas factories watch it. And here's the part most inventors never hear. A patent only protects the specific claims written inside. That means a skilled engineer can typically design around it, most of the time without infringing on anything. The $15,000 you spent on that patent can be bypassed for a fraction of the cost. In the moment you feel protected, that's when most inventors slow down. They lose urgency. They lose momentum. At the exact moment, they should be moving faster than ever before. Because a patent without a product in the market is just an expensive document. The protection that actually matters is speed, brand, distribution, and none of those can be engineered around. Point 2, the 3 things that happen after approval, and almost no inventor is prepared for any of them. First, enforcement reality. A patent gives you one thing, the right to sue. That's it. It doesn't stop competitors. It doesn't remove listings. It doesn't protect your inventory. To enforce it, you need to go to court. And the average cost of patent litigation in the United States alone is about $3 million. Most inventors can't even use the protection that they paid for. Second, the manufacturing gap. Most patents are filed before the product is engineered for production. So now your design is locked in. When it hits the factory, it needs changes. And those changes can conflict directly with your patent claims. Now you're stuck between a design you can protect and a product you can actually build. Third, the brand vacuum. While you were waiting 18 to 24 months for approval, the market didn't stop. Competitors built audiences, built distribution, and built momentum. Now your patent is approved, but your brand doesn't exist. You have no customers, no demand, and no traction. You have protection, but nothing to protect. The inventors who win, they use that time differently. They built the business while the patent was pending. So when approval comes, it strengthens something that already exists. If this is already shifting how you think about your product, the next step is a free strategy session with me. We'll look at your idea, where you are right now, and give you a clear picture on what to do next. Link is in the description. Point 3, what actually protects your idea in the real world. Here's the truth most inventors miss. The strongest protection is not legal. It's actually strategic. It's a product already in the market, a brand that customers recognize, and a distribution system that's hard to replicate. Trademark protection is one of the most powerful tools. It currently costs around $350. And if somebody copies your branded product on Amazon, Amazon can remove their listing, suspend their account, freeze their funds, and seize their inventory. No lawsuit, no waiting years. That's real enforcement. Speed the market is another moat. Every month your product is live. You're building reviews, customer data, supplier relationships, brand recognition. A competitor starting 12 months behind you is not just 12 months behind. They're behind on every advantage you've already built. The inventors who are fully protected aren't the ones with the most patents. They're the ones who get to market first. Protection isn't a filing, it's a strategy, and it has to be built during the patent process, not after. Patent approval is not just a finish line, it's the starting gun. What happens next determines everything. Enforcement reality, the manufacturing gap, and the brand vacuum. These are real risks. The inventors who win aren't the ones who protected the idea the hardest. They're the ones who've moved the fastest, built the strongest brand, and got to market before the patent was even approved. A patent is a tool, a business system. If you confuse the two, you end up with a framed certificate and no revenue. Now you know what actually happens after a patent gets approved and why most inventors are blindsided at the exact moment they feel safest. But knowing this and applying it to your situation are two completely different things. If you want to make sure your idea is protected the right way with the right strategy, before you spend another dollar, click the link in the description and book a free strategy session with me. We'll look at your product, your timeline, and give you a straight answer on where you actually stand. And when you're done, watch this video next. It breaks down how to protect your idea without going broke and why most inventors are solving the wrong problem entirely. Click it now.